Alamin ang pinakabagong mga kaganapan sa Far East Broadcasting Company Philippines sa pagpapahayag ng mabuting balita ni Hesukristo sa pamamagitan ng radyo, internet at iba pang makabuluhang gawa. Narito si Dan Andrew Cura para sa The President's Report.
Magandang araw po muli sa inyong lahat. Ako po ang inyong kaibigan na patuloy na naghihikayat po sa inyong makinig dito sa gawain ng FEBC. Ngayon po ay patuloy po natin ang ating kwentuhan kasama ang ating bagong Chief Operations Officer na si Kuya Lucho Castillo. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, si Dan Andrew, para sa The President's Report. Ang ating panauhin ngayon ay ang bagong Chief Operations Officer ng FEBC Philippines, si Kuya Luis Lucho Castillo. At maya-maya po sa ating pakikipag-usap sa kanya ay magbibigay po siya ng linaw sa ilang mga gawain ng FEBC Philippines. Now, given that, when it comes to the area of, because here in FEBC Philippines, we have this thrust of people group initiatives, meaning we would like to follow the mandate of making disciples of all nations. And all nations means all ethnic groups. And here in the Philippines, we have over 180 people groups that we still need to try to reach. So that's why we called it people group initiatives, and we use the platform of low-powered FM. Right now, what is the percentage of what we're able to reach and what we're not yet able to reach here in FEBC?
Okay. Right now in the Philippines, we're about 112 million. Mm-hmm. And based on our propagation tests, we are able to reach 65% of the country. And that's about 73 million people. Mm-hmm. But again, there is still more to reach.
Mm-hmm. And would you have by this time some areas that we are trying to reach at the moment, or what we would call deaf spots at the moment?
Yeah, for now, our deaf spots remain as follows. In the northern part, northern Luzon, we still have a deaf spot there. In Palawan area, in Eastern Samar area, in Caraga area, in the northern Mindanao area, there are still deaf spots there. That's about 33 million people to be reached.
Given that, what are some of the, shall we say, low-hanging fruits? Or do we have any low-hanging fruits at the moment that you're starting to look into?
Yes, by God's grace, there are doors of opportunity opening up for us, especially in Palawan, where we are looking at the Coron area. We're also looking at Dumaguete as part of our initiative in LPFM.
Or the southern part of the Negros.
That's right.
Province.
Yeah, and then there's also opportunities in Catanduanes and Osamis.
Nako, maraming salamat kay Kuya Lucho at sa kanyang pagsama sa atin dito sa ating programa. Naway isama ninyo kami sa inyong panalangin kasama ni Kuya Lucho upang gayon din sama nyo na rin po mga pinuno, kawani at mga volunteers na tulong-tulong upang matiyak na ang gawaing sinimulan ng Diyos sa FEBC 74 years ago ay patuloy na lumago at makasabay sa mga bagong nangyayari sa ating mundo. Anumang panahon, hindi nagbabago ang ating misyon at iyon ay ipahayag ang pag-ibig at mensahe ni Hesukristo sa lahat ng mga Pilipino saan man sila naroroon. Kaya't ipanalangin ninyo na magsikap na humantong pa sa maraming Pilipino na maabot upang mabago sa tulong ng ating mga programa. Nako, muli po, maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Ito po ang inyong kaibigan, si Dan Andrew, para sa The President's Report. Manatili po kayong laging ligtas at pagpalain po kayo ng ating Panginoon.
Inyong napakinggan ang The President's Report. Kung nais ninyong maging kabahagi ng gawain ng Far East Broadcasting Company Philippines, bisitahin ang aming website donatenow.febc.ph o mag-email sa info@febc.ph para sa inyong mga katanungan o mungkahi.